Hey, this is a follow-up on uwtitanfan's video on how to get an old phone like this one to ring. And I'm going to go a little bit more in depth as to what parts you need and how to do it instead of just showing it off. So basically, I have Audacity here, and you want to go to generate a tone. And for me, what worked best was between 19 and 30 hertz in a sine wave and at amplitude of 1. That worked for me, so just do that. And then make sure that whichever channel you're using, so if you use left, pull it all the way to the left. If you're using right, make sure it's only on the right. Mine's on the right. So basically, you have the headphone output coming from your computer or phone or whatever into your stereo system, and then the speaker output are the two wires, because it's a speaker like this that has a positive and negative thing on it that you put the wire into. Basically, that comes out of the stereo. You want to make sure the volume is all the way up. Since it's not connected to a speaker, nothing's going to be loud except for the phone. So you want to, if you're taking apart a splitter, you want to wire that to the red and the green wire inside the phone splitter. This isn't a splitter. It's connected to a splitter, but if you open up a splitter, you should find the same wires. I don't know what this thing is. I just found it, and it breaks out the telephone cord into different wires. But you need to wire it to red and green. It's not polarity sensitive, so you can do whichever. And then this is a splitter, which you don't need. You could just plug it straight into there. But then the phone cord obviously goes to the phone, and then you get it to ring. So if I hit play on here, and then this doesn't work with this doesn't just work with older phones like this one. If you plug a newer style phone from like the early 2000s in like this cheap crappy piece of junk, it'll ring too. So if I hit play, and even if you wanted both to ring, you could rig up a splitter like I've got, plug in both lines, and they would both ring. So basically, you need between 19 and 20 hertz going to an amplifier with the volume all the way up on everything, with whatever channel volume you want to use all the way up, connected to a phone cable splitter going to a phone. And that's basically what you need. So I hope this helps anybody trying to get a phone to ring like I did, because that video, while it was a cool video and it was a cool idea, it did not go as in-depth as I would have hoped. So I hope this helped. Thanks.